Tornado weather. Now watch the CHEM dumps. Pow! A HAARP low pressure system created. Check out the Nexrad signature here and this funky spike from something. I'm not seeing it right now. There's the spike. There's a spike right here. Starting here a minute ago. HAARP sounds. That's the 14th. And here's the 15th. This is the 16th. What happened here? Totally no magnetic activity. Or did they have HAARP off? Interesting. And the 17th. Weird. What are those different looking lines on there? Never seen any like this. Maybe this is a solar flare activity. But they weren't supposed to get here until... yeah, maybe that is from today. Looks like the same lines here. solar flare activity. And there's more of it. Here's a good view of the CHEM dumps happening in just at New Mexico, drifting over towards the Panhandle, and we have CHEM dumps starting here, drifting over across Oklahoma. Big CHEM dumps over Oklahoma. CHEM dumps happening down here in southern Texas, actually originating over and then ending over Mexico. This CHEM dump here was pretty huge. Should have seen it right over Dallas. I'm trying to repeat the same system as yesterday. 21st of May today. Now watch the CHEM dumps. Pow! A HAARP low pressure system created. Today's weather, May 20th. We're getting CHEM dumps right here. CHEM dump right here. Circular CHEM dumps right there. All being pushed by Nexrad. And notice the CHEM dumps in Michigan. Clouds that appear out of thin air. Notice the blank area here. Huge CHEM dump. Notice how small the clouds are, and then all of a sudden they pile up. Of course, I looked at some, they might have been actual thunderheads, but your Alpine and Nexrad, and this area is Nexrad. All of these Nexrads steering the water, and the CHEM dumps are very visible on COD meteorology site. Keep getting these warnings, dump, 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 and they're dumping down here, of course, over Florida, border of Kentucky and West Virginia. Mostly dumping in this hot air that's coming up the center of the country here. And these are extreme drought states all through here. All of these are extreme drought states. There's no moisture in the rain. It clouded over, flew by. At the most, there was a minute of a couple of drops of rain coming down. These CHEM dumps are ridiculous. so obvious if anyone looked at this site.